For the first time in human history, we are on the path to creating something more intelligent than ourselves. And the timeline for that future is just 5 to 10 years. This is not a YouTube theory. This is being said by the CEO of Google DeepMind, a Nobel Prize-winning scientist, Demis Hassabis, the man who built a company with a single mission: solve intelligence and then use it to solve everything else. He said, "We do not have AGI yet, because today's AI can solve international math Olympiad problems and then fail to count the number of letters in a word. That is not intelligence. That is uneven capability." We are standing in front of a technology that is a genius and a child at the same time. According to his estimate, there is a 50% chance that within the next 5 to 10 years, we will build machines with human-level intelligence, which means students in university today may spend the middle of their careers working alongside AGI. But he makes one thing clear: the arrival of AGI will not instantly change the world, because digital intelligence takes time to transform the physical world. Factories, robots, energy systems do not change overnight. But the real question is not the technology. The real question is, who gets there first? Because the first AGI will carry the values of its creators. This is not just a technology race. This is a civilization race. He describes his two biggest fears. The first, AI in the hands of bad actors, a system powerful enough to be used for cyber attacks, biological threats, or massive misinformation. The second, AI becoming so powerful that we can no longer control it. And that is where the question of guardrails begins. Are we building a form of intelligence that we do not fully understand? He says, right now this risk is theoretical, but the real problem is we do not have much time. Another reality: AI will not stay inside national borders. If one country regulates it and another does not, it changes nothing. AI governance has become a global problem, just like climate change. When it comes to jobs, he says, we have not yet seen massive job loss. Right now, AI is a productivity tool. In the coming years, the most successful people will be AI native. The ones who work with AI will produce 10 times more output, which means AI will not replace you. People who do not use AI will be replaced. His vision for the future, he calls it radical abundance, a world where there is no shortage of energy, no shortage of water, no shortage of medicine. He gives a simple example. We already have the technology to solve the global water crisis: desalination. The only problem is energy. What happens if energy becomes almost free? Water stops being a cause of conflict. If AI can discover new drugs in months instead of decades, disease stops being a life sentence. For the first time in history, scarcity itself can be engineered out of the system. But he admits a difficult truth. The real problem is not technology. The real problem is that humans do not collaborate. We already have solutions for climate change. We do not use them because we do not want to sacrifice, which means AGI will not shape the future. Human behavior will. He believes the current economic system is accelerating innovation. But after AGI, the meaning of money, value, and economics will begin to change. Because when scarcity disappears, the rules of the system change with it. About the fear people have toward AI, he says, this is normal. Every major revolution has felt like this. But when people realize that this technology can cure the diseases inside their own families, fear turns into acceptance. In the end, he is saying only one thing. Whether AGI is coming is no longer the question. The real question is, when it arrives, what kind of world will we be living in? Who will control this intelligence? And will we, as a species, be ready for it? Because the most important decade in human history has already begun.
And if you want more videos about the future of work, real shifts, and what's coming next, subscribe to Quiet Shift.